In this video, I will go over how to use the locked and the hold print feature on your Ricoh Savin machine using a PCL6 print driver. This feature is great to use if you're wanting to print in a secure printing method and do not want your documents at the machine upon arrival. Let's begin by going through the locked print features first. Once you have selected File Print to your document and have selected the Savin machine, go ahead and select Printer Properties, and the PCL6 print driver dialog box will appear. As you see, this is what your print driver looks like, but here at the top underneath Job Type, where it says Normal Print, I'm going to go ahead and hit the drop-down option and select Locked Print. Once I select details, I can now set my credentials of how I will release the job at the machine. So for username, I'm going to go ahead and put my first name and last initial. And for the password, it does have to be a numerical password. I'm then going to select OK, then hit OK one more time to then be able to select Print. Once I have printed the document, I again will not release the job until I walk over to the machine. So here at the machine, I'm going to go ahead and select my Printer Classic icon. From here, I'm going to select the Print Jobs tab here at the top. I see my name listed, so once I select my name, I will now see the jobs that I have sent to the machine in the locked print mode. I'm going to go ahead and select my job, select Print, and as you see, it immediately asked for me to type in the password in order to print this job. So after I type my password in and select OK, here at the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and select the option to print. And as you see, once you select Print, that job automatically deletes from the screen. And that's an example of how you would use the locked print job feature using a PCL6 print driver. So now let's go back to that same document, and I'm going to show you how to use hold print. So again, go ahead and select Printer Properties underneath Job Type, Normal Print. Now you're going to be selecting hold print. Go ahead and select Details. As you see, you still need to input your username. However, this time a password is not required. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and select OK, hit OK one more time, and select Print. Now back at the machine, I'm going to go ahead and select Printer Classic, select the Print Jobs tab, find my name, then I'm going to be selecting my hold print job here in my job listing. Once I select the hold print job, as you see, no password is required. I can go ahead and select Print, and again, that job is going to print out right in front of me, deleting that job directly from my print job screen. And there you have it. That is how you complete both a locked print and a hold print job feature by using the PCL6 print driver. And we hope you found this video helpful on using this confidential print style.